Yeah, Girl on the Pike, that's really what this sums it up. How did you get going? Yeah, I need a new editing thing, sorry. Echoes from. There's a roach.
Sweet.
Are you filming? Oh.
Everything echoes from that fucking door, man.
Good morning.
Morning, hell, you guys are like 3 hours late, don't you?
It's only like 4. That's morning still. When you wake up at 2 in the afternoon, it's morning at 4. Say hello. Say hello, Christopher.
Hi.
Close up. AC/DC. I have no idea what your aunt just said. I just closed the door. I hope that's what she wanted. Oh, I don't want to take a picture.
That's not what she said. Let's take a picture in that air.